when I'm puffing on a potent, silent, but I stay strapped. Gave her wood, now she talking about family tree. You know it ain't that. Ain't got time for the bad bees, dog. I got money on mine. Watch my chain too long, have me nervous. I put money on your mind. The Cali be potent, that girl is a bogus. I can't risk my seed. My heart too low, took L's like fug. Big slime soon free. Had to drop cause the fans they keep asking. You drop trash, had the fans all laughing. Disappeared and I
genuinely give me like a very slight burn. Like very, very small, not a big one, but I can feel it. It's giving me a little burn. Yeah.
You saying you're M9 man, yeah. Beretta. Okay.
That's what I'm
you know, it's not a bad weight to be fair. What is it? I'm gonna have to run this for a game or two just to see it. Give it a review for you. Do you know what? I think I'll put it aside and I'll run all of this stuff later. Appreciate it. What's that? Green gas? Oh, okay, you're going in. Appreciate it. I tend to run my pistol tapped, but I will probably grab some for the gas mags.
I know exactly what it is, so I was meant to get out more. I'm looking forward to using this bad boy.
I think it's going to be a lot easier this time.
Yeah. Ship question, have you got anything that's fucking this? That's that.
No, I think I'm...
Ooh, what's up, brother? You alright?
Alright, mate, I'm not
Good, I'm good, I'm good. Almost done, so my gun's alright. I just need to sort out your... Yeah, go for it.
Thank you. At least you make it there in one piece when I'm driving.
You say that, you don't drive bad like that, bro.
Pretty safe driving.
Yeah, trust me.
I don't tend to. People that drive silly ain't worth messing about. That's right, I've got all the meds up anyway. No.
Gary has converted me.
What's that, TM?
No, you know, it's a Rossi M24 Storm. Give you a go when you get out there.
If you get bored, you can borrow one of mine. I've got my SSG 10 in the car.
Ah, legend. Why not? Why not? Appreciate it. It's a bloody good gun. I know. I've got a few mates who have it. Bloody good gun. Sorry. Get some YouTube in. So this is apparently where we chrono, and it looks like where everybody kind of zeroes their guns in. So
nice bit of kit.
appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it.
What is that?
It's a Rossi M24.
It's fucking nice, man.
Appreciate it. Literally brand new. It basically is a similar.
Yeah, it looks like it's
But I kind of went for it because straight out the box, you literally have to do nothing to it. It shoots like a bloody arrow. So yeah, and just a wolf, standard wolf.
decent, man. I only reason I like that gun because you know ever since the TV show called Primeval. Yeah. Right. There's one episode, bro. I used to watch it so much. I want to watch it now, but the one episode he used to gun like that. He fucking takes down some like pterodactyls. Yeah.
These are the things that inspired me to grab this gun. Appreciate it. Well, you guys running M4? Normally I got an M4 out UTR, but I just thought let me switch it up today, try a different gameplay.
DMR guy.
Ooh, DMR, very nice.
I'd rather have an LMG.
M4 sniper.
Okay. No, you can tuck the corners nicely and everything, so you'll be alright.
I've got a bit of a combo.
He's got a Tarkov build.
Okay, wow.
Tarkov
You
gun.
even got the zoom scope and all sorts, flashlight, all sorts. He's ready for full special ops mission. Trust me, full special ops mission.
Yeah, for real.
No, proper. Hopefully we're on the same team then.
You blue or red?
I'm not sure yet. We were waiting for a couple of our guys to come. We didn't grab bands yet, but we shall go over soon and grab them.
Sausage.
Wait, he's not bad. He's not a bad scorer. So if you're on the same team,
What you got to say?
well, Joe,
I'm a good shot.
I look forward to it, brother. Then hopefully. What team are you guys on? Red.
Red, I think we're going to be. Well, they already taken.
Okay, red. Yeah. Okay. I'll have a word with them. Yeah, for sure.
the last match from Victor, he was sniping, and I was literally, because AL was hitting, I was just holding my gun, literally like, we was laying on the floor, I was holding my gun like this and just fucking speeding down.
Ooh. How much did the Vulcan outer rail set you back?
That ain't mine. I was like, it's mine, but it's, you know, it's armour shop in Maidstone. Summer Boys.
Okay.
That's my granddad's shop. So I had a
Is that only one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's some old. Oh no, there's some old stuff. Got any?
Not yet. I'm still waiting to chrono.
Jess, you're going to
I
lose
have
him.
an M4. As soon as I pulled it back, everything.
Go and see the man in your in. Quick,
Ooh.
quick. You need to go and see him.
Sick.
I've lost mine.
It was frying too much. It was like frying like 350, and I tried doing the top up. It wouldn't go down.
Wouldn't go down. Bloody hell.
Bro.
Well, here it's 360 FPS. It's our first time.
But that's it.
Same as well, brother. Same as well.
I would have kept that and been right. That's sick.
Yeah, this is my babes, and she shoots like basically a rifle. Give us 1 sec, I'll show you. Beautiful gun, this one.
That's fucking sick.
I appreciate it. Let's make sure she's not chambered already.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, go to your cook.
Make sure you don't shoot anyone else. Shoot anyone.
Yeah, be careful.
How? Do I do bang bang or just go bang bang?
It's semi only.
That's sick. That's fucking sick.
Appreciate it.
Jackson's like into his element.
Coming.
It's naughty, isn't it?
No.
Yeah.
No, that's all right,
It's
How much is all the HPA shit that you've got?
To be honest, cause it's not a full-blown HPA kit, it was fairly cheap. Like the wire I bought for like 30 quid, and I just run it straight to Greengrass.
Oh, you can do that?
Yeah, and if you notice, it shoots amazing. It's reliable. I have no problems.
How does the adapter work on it?
Goes literally straight into the top of the bottle, and then I've got like a gas valve so I can turn it up and down, and then yeah, straight into a tap mag.
That's a fucking good.
I kind of did it just because like CO2, it dries out your gun and it's a dirty oil, it's a dirty gas, so you'll find that you have to clean your gun a lot more. With this, it keeps it lubricated because it's oil-based gas basically. So yeah.
shit. I don't even thought about that.
Switches the game up a little bit. It's kind of why I did it. Oh come on, don't steam on me first thing.
You got any fog?
I don't, you know.
No, I've got any fog down there. I mean, it works, but I had a small. You know, there's like little like. You know those shirts that got like all the checkers.
Yep.
Yeah, there's like little things with like dangly bits at the end.
Yeah.
I think we've seen like Afghan and shit like they were like Shamrock. There you go.
Okay, boom.
It's around that. Small. That's what I was thinking, but I won them. We'll see them for about half an hour. Next time, I
Fog again. Oh, nightmare. Bloody nightmare.
But I got sprayed literally down there. You can borrow some if you want.
Appreciate it, brother. I think I will because it's already fogging up. I'm gonna adjust where that scope is sitting as well, you know.
Honestly, I like cards, man. That's fucking sick. Especially the cards. I like this fucking special.
No, I appreciate it. I just wanted to do something different because I got a few mates who have it, so I thought, do you know what, do something slightly different. Just so that we're, like, say our scopes are sitting on the same table, you can see the difference.
Oh, yeah. Have you ever rocked Gelly?
Do you know what? I'm literally new to sniping. I'm normally an M4 man, so this is literally my first day sniping. But most of my team, they're snipers, so it's why I thought let me try the platform before I sign it off, kind of thing. Yeah. So fingers crossed this goes well. I'll keep this bad boy.
for sale at the end of the day.
Yeah, trust me. And to be fair, I wouldn't have to, because it's such a good damn gun. Like, I've used it in the firing range so much this week, so I know it's a good gun. It's just the gameplay difference. I like to run about, duck, take cover, stuff like that. So we'll see how it goes. I've got a honey badger with me as well that one of the lads bought, so I've got a backup option. So if I'm on you guys' squad, do you have a sniper slasher, SMG slash M4 guy?
Yeah, man, we're good.
Appreciate it, man. Much fucking better. It looks crazy, but much fucking better.
We got the artillery, man. Look, he's gunned up everywhere.
I'm sure I didn't have any elements today. Just set
Reese's one to sell, isn't it? M60. So it's got a problem with
Lovely.
Yeah, and he's HPA in it before he sells it, Jordan. He told me that LMG for sale soon, but it will be HPA and 600 quid.
He won't HPA it.
I don't know, I think he's just getting bored and wants to do shit with it.
What weight are you doing?
4s, but I think I'm gonna have to adjust it because when I was in the shop, you only have 20 meters, so it's a lot different to outdoors. So that's why I'm just giving it a run through quick, work out where I'm at, and then we'll do it, adjust it from there.
They're going high.
Yeah.
I'll figure out my one as well.
Do you know I've got heavier BB, so I might even adjust it that way.
Bit of a game face on a day, boy.
Literally, the man himself. Were you running the snipes today?
Yeah.
Okay, why not? That's a proper one.
Hey, I'm going Jordan. Put a camera on it.
Yeah, we're not going to get a montage if people get sniped in the face. Hey, what's down there?
Only got 2 5s in at the moment.
Serious?
Because test on 2 5s.
2 5s? Would that fly alright out here?
No, I use 4 5s in here at the moment.
Oh, okay, it's just a run the gun through kind of thing. Okay, fair.
You alright, Sean?
Oh, you got Titan 7 as well?
Yeah, literally. That thing shoots like a bloody arrow. Yeah. I changed all the rubber in it and the recoil spring and all of that stuff. Yeah. But I changed everything on the inside. It shoots near enough.
That's the same gun I had.
Same as that.
But not as long. That's fucking.
Do you know what? Give that a go because you've shot the other one. Go on, take the mag out of this one. Just grab the mag. Go on, pull here. That one, that's why I bring that one because it has the barrel length to give you a rifle type shot straight out the box.
How did you?
Charge it. Yeah, charge it.
Doesn't mean anything.
That's not about that.
Give me that.
Appreciate it.
Oh no, he's gonna rob yours as well. The collection, mine's on as well now.
That's a lot better.
Oh, no, it's dangerous. He's ruined the whole collection.
I'm going to become a sniper now. I'll do like
I'm just staying down. I'm going to get back any time because the sniper session today.
I saw the contract.
Stan? What are you saying, bastard? Just shut whatever I'm on. Says I'm not going to clench.
I thought you were supposed to enjoy it.
No! if you're a Thai lady, mate.
Am I doing it wrong? Who is Thai lady? What? Let's put one for it.
Oh, you big handsome boy. Where's on you? Whipped that and drum and called that slow. Good.
You want a happy ending?
I was with my mate. We went for massages because we were in Thailand.
Why not?
Go for the furthest target up there because it's set up for long range.
She pretty. And she's bloody light as anything, Gary. Yeah. Ooh, you running the run cam as well? Ooh, that's crystal. What's that? What scope is that?
What?
Your scope.
Scope, yes.
That's crystal though. It's cause have a look through my scope, like that's crystal, Gary. Oh, you removed? Can I remove my one?
Huh?
Oh, I can't. Your one's different.
What's that? Yeah.
Your thing's gone. That's pretty cool though.
Yeah, just got the accident. So shoot yourself in the head accidentally.
Yeah, word. Yeah. Ooh.
There's range on it, isn't it?
How much did this take to build?
Oh, it's just some pieces. See that really big tree over the back there? Soon shoot on. It's quite accurate. See right in front?
Yeah.
12 o'clock, you've got a big fat tree. Try that one. Wait a minute.
Just about missed it. Let me go a bit further. But it's 2 5s you said you're running out of. Bloody hell.
No, it's, sorry, in at the moment it's 4 5.
Oh, 4 5s, because that's what I'm thinking. The distance is crazy. Go on, one more.
Let's go 4 8 out.
Oh, we're all out. What does something like that cost to build? Thank you.
About 80 quid.
Serious?
Yeah, it's just down. Hold it for
And the gun itself?
about 220.
No, but that's not bad at all. That bloody shoots like an arrow.
Yeah, it's a barrel field cloth. Yeah, I want to play some up against the BBs and test my gun now. Absolutely worth. They got carried away. Save my place for me.
Do you know what? I need to hop back in the queue myself.
Well, we're here now, so hopefully we'll turn this down a bit. Apparently.
Serious?
A bit high, yeah.
What was it shooting?
It started off at 380 and came down to about 360.
Electric? Oh, gas that. Okay, yeah, the weather. Oh, HPA, yeah. You turn your tap down for sure then. Bloody hell. What barrel length is on that?
About this big.
Okay, maybe about 220. Why not?
But it goes.
Nice little setup. Nice little setup.
Here it goes.
Proper nice little setup. Have to show us when we out there.
Well, my pistol can range what your sniper rifle's doing.
Serious? What pistol is that? That definitely needs turning up. So this I still need to do work.
How you did.
Yeah.
But if you want to giggle, you haven't got another line, have you?
Unfortunately not.
I was going to say, I've got the MP5 converter by Captain car.
Serious?
But it runs HPA. So you put the high cap mag in and you just take an MP5, shove it in the bottom, so you get 120 rounds each round. I use it for my SE5.
Yeah.
But I've tuned that to be a sniper rifle, basically.
Serious?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. You're gonna have to show me. You're gonna have to show me, because this is what I'm trying to do. Basically, like, set myself up so regardless of whatever situation I'm in, I'm good, kind of thing. That's much better. I think you're gonna run today. I think the other bad boy is gonna chill till later. still could turn you down a little bit though.
But you're hot.
Yeah.
Fine, because you've got to take it all apart to do it.
That's the one thing I hate about high cappers, about pistols in general. Glocks are the same, to be fair.
Mine don't.
Why?
I've got TDC.
Oh, okay, fair.
My high capper.
How much did that set you back?
280.
Oh, bloody hell. You went top end.
It was designed to run. Hello, man.
Oh, you thanks, because that was my next move, to be fair.
I thought you got so many guns for Crow.
Literally, this is what I'm going to go do right now. Trust me.
Oh, what a Crow, mate.
No, appreciated. Saved me a job.
What you running in the mag?
Freeze.
Freeze.
Just for the moment. Let me know if it's over or under any issues. It should be alright though, because my UTR, that's what I used to run out of there. I thought it was out as well. Is it not? Okay, maybe a damage.
What's yours coming out?
I haven't chronoed yet. I'm literally going to do that now. When I did chrono at home though, it was shooting just above 3, so about 308, 304, 298, like roughly around that region. And that was with force, so hopefully the same today. Should be alright. Which ain't too bad, cause even the distance I'm getting on it is alright for the way I'm planning to play, so should be alright. Are we on the reds? Or we don't have a side yet?
Just going after the red down.
No, where it is.
Dave.
Are we ready?
I'll get the red out of the bag.
Normally we'll coast there, take it and move around when we're on. So what they do is they put you on whatever side you at least on. So let them do it and then put their own over there.
Spider-Man. I've got all sorts. I've got like Marvel and all sorts. So that's like a little Marvel setup. Yeah. And then just like a Deadpool, sorry.
Yeah. I was
no. Yeah, actually Spider-Man, yeah, it looks like Deadpool.
I was going to get some like Weaver Reanimate on my leg.
Serious? Oh, why not?
Still looking, but yeah.
It's finding something that's good so you don't end up changing it, right? And something that's weatherproof as well, that's another thing.
Yeah.
Oh, why not?
Oh. Same thing with this.
Oh, you've got one as well.
What's wrong with it now?
Very nice.
Shooting at like, I think 180. It's supposed to be a DMR.
Do you know what? That's a problem with that gun. That's why I didn't bring my one today. I have the same one, but the little brother of the 5.56, the Dex 5.56. I have the same problem. It was shooting 288 months ago. Yesterday I chronoed it 177. I was laughing at myself.
How long you played last time? It's
last year.
Last year. So the rubber's going to be fucked on it.
Yeah.
But my thing is, I use my one every month, so and it has that same problem.
Yeah.
Literally,
keep losing it, I guess.
What, the rubber?
Yeah, on the outside, don't do it on the inside. Yeah. Just like when you're putting it to sleep, just on the outside, just give it a little spray.
When you say the outside, what are we talking about? The rubber?
Hot.
Okay, the hot. Okay.
You don't really want to get inside, but it doesn't matter if you do it, it's in there out.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
Also a bit of lube in your mag as well, so your spinning don't jam.
That's good to know. Lube in the mag.
Not too much.
Yeah, just a teeny bit.
This is still good though.
Yeah.
This shoots like the nuts.
It always will be, ale.
Yeah. Even with the
Did you see the pink one? It's a pink and gold ARP9 with a folding stock.
hang on, a different stock.
Folding stock. Yeah, strange. Yeah.
So it doesn't need to be on it. That's good to know. Which means that that's going to be an outdoor gun. go on the guy. It gives me a chance to just test this pistol.
Oh, I'm now down, so let's see how much.
That's spotty in the last. You running pistol? No, but I've always got one. Oh, right, thanks. Right. Don't do it, please. Next!
Let's go and start off now.
You rating?
Yep.
Yeah?
You good, bud?
Appreciate it. Pistol, yeah. Sorry.
Oh, you hate
Sorry.
Oh my god, I'll let you fire that fucker.
You sure?
Yeah.
Because it's tapping straight to green gas, so it's not like I'm using red gas or black gas. Or...
That's like just like how the bottle.
Go on. I've got to still adjust the hop though. It's shooting a bit low.
What weight?
2 pies. There you go, bud.
Yeah.
What about your other one?
I'm just not going to use it in the end. Yeah, I'm just going to put it up. You know, sometimes you bring out too many guns. I think that's what I did today.
It's best to bring them all up and then chrono and then.
That's basically how it's called. My old gun's a little bit longer.
Literally, and I've got like 3 of these. Different colours though, different setups.
Stan,
Straight up. Oh.
You're walking away with the snippers when I got someone that needs to snip it.
Just send it to me. There's no way.
Right, bud, sorry, mate. Fixed it, yeah?
Yeah, what was it chrono in that, Shawnee?
25.
25? Oh, 250, somewhere around there. Okay, that's alright, no worries. And that was with freeze, yeah? Okay, perfect. Easy, okay. So I understand the range on this bad boy. Cool. Do you know what? That range is quite nuts, you know. Wow, I didn't think it was gonna shoot that far. But guys, like, I don't know, you guys can't see it on the camera, but and it's hitting the tree right down at the end. That's crazy. Fair dues is a sniper, but bloody hell. With ease. Alright, it's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a fun day. Sorry, thank you.
Mag out, man.
Pardon?
Your mag out.
Oh, sorry, my bad. My bad. Food, I need food in my life now.
My one.
Ooh, very nice. You know, so funny, I was looking at this body type online, you know, a couple of days back. So yeah.
A3.
Yeah.
That's what they class it as, is A3.
What brand is that one?
Norwich.
Oh, why not? Ooh.
Most of the stuff I've got is all Norwich.
Okay, you're a Novritz man. I had the SE18 at one point.
I've got one of those.
Buy it from Gary.
Yes.
Green bottom half.
What's crane?
That was my one. Bloody good gun. Bloody good gun.
You need to go and get taped.
Okay, yes please. Give me 1 sec. I also need food.
Move, passing me twos. I'm rolling mine, she like how I move. She passing me twos. I'm rolling mine, she like how I move. She passing me twos. I'm rolling mine, she like how I move. She passing me twos. Private company feeding us GMO foods, they wanting us trapped. My young boy just came home for a booting. That young nigga tapped. Can't be slipping when I'm puffing on a potent, silent, but I stay strapped. Gave her wood, now she talking about family tree. You know it ain't that. Ain't got time for the bad bees, dog. I got money on mine. Watch my chain too long, have me nervous. I put money on your mind. The Cali be potent, that girl is a bogus. I can't risk my seed. My heart too low, took L's like fug. Big slam soon free. Had to drop cause the fans they keep asking. You drop trash, had the fans all laughing. Disappeared and I